How's it going, Orange Cat Brewery? Today on this beer review, we are going to be trying our Pumpkin Harvest Ale made with fresh pumpkins from my Aunt Julia. This beer has been an awesome experience to brew and an even better experience to taste. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So like I mentioned, we use fresh pumpkins to brew this beer, and you can definitely taste the pumpkin. It tastes like a slice of pumpkin pie at every sip here. This is just a fantastic beer all the way around. The hop level is that perfect bite, but the nutmeg and the spices in it, molasses, maple syrup, really combine to make it a perfect fall beer. So this beer, 10 out of 10, probably one of the best beers that we've brewed so far at Orange Cat Brewery. So a lot of pride and joy went into making this one. So again, I'm really excited to share with you guys and follow along with some more beer recipes to come. Cheers.